Alright, hello and welcome to Coursera TV. Today is the day 16 and that's the lesson 16 of our preparations for the entrance exams. And today we are going to continue with fractions. Okay, we have a simple question here asking us to compare these fractions. Note, we have a fraction, different fractions and decimals. We are asked to write the numbers in what descending order. Here we cannot compare them until all of them are of the same value. Okay, so we can change all of them to decimals. That will be the simplest thing to do. So now we have to change -1/6 to a decimal. -1/6. You can input this into your calculator and you get -0.16767. So let's make it 17, right? Just use your calculator, punch -1/6 into your calculator and press the SD on the calculator, then you'll be done. Now let's take -1 whole number 3/4. So -1/3/4, changing it to an improper fraction 414 plus 3, that will be 7, so 7/4. Then change 7/4 to a decimal, so that will give you -1.75. Okay, let's try it and see. 4 out, 7 in, 4 into 7, 1, 414, subtract, then 7 minus 4, 3. This cannot go into this, right? So we bring the points and introduce a 0 here. Then 4 into 37, 4, 7, 28. We subtract to get 2. Add 0. 4 into 25. Then 4, 5, 20. So I'm correct, right? So that's -1.75. Then 1 whole number 5/7. Change that 1 to 2. A decimal. Okay, so 1 whole number 5/7. Change it to an improper fraction 7 plus 5, 12. So 12/7. 12/7 into the decimal form. Punch it into your calculator. 7 into 12, 1. Then 717. Subtract, get 5. 7 will go into 50. How many times? 7 times 7, 7, 49. Subtract, you get 1. So it means that 1.7111. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So it means that 1 whole number 5/7 is 1.71. Just use your calculator. Okay, then we have -0.2 and 2.1. So it means that I've changed all these numbers to a decimal, all these fractions to decimals. So if we have all of them in decimals, we can now compare them easily. Okay, so now -1.6, what did we get? -0.17. So let me put all of them at one place. So -0.17, comma. Then the second fraction, -1 whole number 3/4. What did we get? We had -1.75. Then the next one, 1 whole number 5/7. We also had 1.71. Then the next number here was -0.2 and 2.1. So -0.2 and 2.1. Comparing these numbers or these decimals in the descending order, we are going to arrange from the highest to the lowest. So looking at this number is negative. Is this number is the biggest? So that's 2.1. 2.1 is greater than, we have a positive number in here, 1.71, and that one is also greater than negative what? Among 1, 2, 3. Which one is the smallest? The smallest is the one with the smallest negative. Okay, so -1 and -2. Which one is small? It's -2. Which one is big? -1. Okay, so when we come to negative, it's just the reverse form. Okay, so when we take 1, 2, 3. Which one do you think is the biggest? Which one is the biggest? It's definitely 0.17. So negative 0.17. Negative 0.17 is also bigger than negative 1. No, sorry, negative 0.2. And negative 0.2 is also bigger than negative 1.775. Okay. Yes. So that is all. So as I was saying, the negatives, the smaller it is, the bigger. Okay. So this is smaller than this. When you look at the numbers, 0.1, okay, smaller than this. So it means that this one is bigger than this. Then this one, 1 point. Since that this one is also bigger than this. All right. Yes. Thank you. Now let's look at our last question. What value in the following pair is smaller? So we have 2/5 and we have negative 3/5. Which one is smaller? This one you don't have to even think. Is the what? The negative one. So that's negative 3/5. Why? The positive is bigger than the negative. That's all. Thank you very much for your time and everything. We shall meet in the next lesson. Stay blessed and make sure you learn very hard for the exams. And I believe by God's grace you'll be able to pass. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.